Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Today we will talk on euro currency, because what else we could discuss at the eve of the European Central Bank meeting. So yesterday you can see was really impressive rally on the currency across the board, not just on the euro currency but also on the Japanese yen, which was dropping below the levels that we have specified. It also was drop on the dollar index, on the Great British pound was rally. So actually it was triggered, as you know, by the Mnuchin talk on the Davos forum, and where he said that United States, the weakness on the United States dollar right now stands in the favor of the country. And many investors thought that United States is stepping back out from their classical approach that the strength currency is an advantage and some value for United States. And that has pushed all other currencies higher. But currently, guys, it will be a bit tricky situation, because the anticipation of the investors in relation to the central banks stands in contradiction to what central banks itself would like to have. Because here we start to see kind of the currency war starting and the new cycle of the global growth, and you can see that already the Bank of Japan, Kuroda, said that they do not intend to change the policy in the nearest time, because they do not want to get too strong Japanese yen. This will be very bad for the Japan economy, because it oriented on the export. The same could be for European Central Bank, because the appreciation of the euro, as you can see, it was really fast. Just for 2 or 3 months, it was significant rally. The 10 points, 115 to the 125 almost. It's very fast. And at the moment where no real steps by European Central Bank has been done yet. So also that we have just what we have is just a positive shift in the economy, so in statistics and so on. That's why today it's really possible that European Central Bank will keep all the stuff as it was previously, and even could announce some worrying, some concern on the strength of the European currency. Because it could right now it's really some time for possible verbal interventions, and not just the United States needs the weaker currency, but all other countries as well. So anyway, currently, guys, they're taking the long position here. I do not say it's a really good idea, because as I said, that market stands at the very bottom on the weekly chart on the daily. Also, market has completed finally the 1618 extension over the butterfly, so butterfly has been completed, right, on the European Central Bank meeting. Whether we should go short with the anticipation of the retracement, well, guys, I prefer, in current situation, as I said, now weekly research, that's really could be very dangerous, and we need to get at least the patterns on our back. If we will get some clever bearish reversal patterns, in this case we could try, but more important for us is just get this retracement as the opportunity to take in long position in upward continuation. So currently, as market has moved higher, our confidence also has moved approximately for the 100 pips higher, so it's 121. So also it will be daily oversold. Previous stops also stands here. So that's why this retracement, just freight support of the whole butterfly swing, is a normal retracement in the current circumstances. Whether it will happen or not, it's currently very difficult to say. On the intraday charts, currently I do not see any signs of reversal. Reversal started, no bearish patterns, nothing. So we just need to wait and see what really will happen. If you have access to the options and you still would like to trade the currency right from here to the downside, you could, for example, buy puts or apply some other option strategy if you think that's indeed it's right point for taking the short. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, I think that today, while we are waiting the results of the European Central Bank meeting, we could be focused on this thrust up, its most recent leg. And this thrust up could be useful for Jadnapoli patients. For example, bread and butter trade. Market will drop to 123.56. It could become double ripple buy opportunity. And then we just could wait what will happen on the European Central Bank meeting. While why I do not want to take short blindly, because I will show you the chart, guys. This is weekly chart of the dollar index, and on the dollar index, as you can see, market is standing to the 1618 target of the butterfly. So 1618 target that we discussed yesterday has failed, or better to say, it is not failed. It just was broken by the external factor, as the speech of the Mnuchin on the Davos forum. And next destination point will be 88.15, 88.40. That is major monthly 618 FIB support on the dollar index butterfly, and it also will be accompanied by the weekly oversold. So here you can see it's approximately 40 pips till this point. That's why on euro currency, I do not want to take the short position while I do not see clear pattern. And the Brent body in this case will be more logical for trading, because it will suggest at least returning to the previous tops, some bounce up. That in the current situation and taking this momentum could be a good compromise for trading without having the clear bearish patience. So on the Japanese yen setups that we have talked about yesterday is still valid, but as we said, could be some deep reaction here, and it's right now stands on the way. That's why we haven't got any clear sign and clear patterns for taking the long position. That's why we're just waiting. If market will form anything here on the next week, maybe, while these lows will survive, this will keep overall setup valid. That's what we will be also watching for. But of course, today will be all eyes on the European Central Bank, because if it will be really dovish comments, some concern about the euro strength, that's really could trigger some retracement.